What's going on, guys? Patrick here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be looking at this extremely bullish candle that just closed on the Bitcoin chart. We also got some extremely bullish news coming out, so make sure you guys stay tuned all the way until the end because we have so much to cover. Also, make sure you guys text me using the number I'm about to put up on the screen if you guys want to chat, ask me any questions about, business, investing, crypto, stocks, real estate, whatever it is you guys want to talk about. Make sure you guys send me a text. I'll really enjoy. I've been really enjoying talking to a lot of you guys, but we have so much to cover. Now, I haven't made a video in a few days, but in order to make up for that, we have so much to cover, and a lot of it is really, really good. So if you guys are ready, let me know down below in the comments that you're excited for this and that you guys have been enjoying the bull run that Bitcoin's kind of been having, at least over the last few weeks. But let's start off with this candle over here. Now, this weekly candle close, which closed at just around $15,400, $15,500, right at this green level over here. That was one of the highest closes ever since back here. The last time we closed higher was on the 1st of January, the week of the 1st of January 2018. And before that, obviously, that run up to the all-time high. Now, you'll notice we actually closed higher, at least on this chart, from the last candle close on that bull run. So if things were to repeat themselves type of situation, I mean, it could be a really good next week for Bitcoin. Do I expect it to happen exactly the same? Not 100%. I think a lot of signs are there that are indicating that things are looking very bullish. However, I'm not going to be the one to say that, yeah, we're going to have another candle that's just going to shoot us up to 20,000 in a week, and we're going to close from there. But this is still really, really good. You'll also notice on the weekly time frame, we had this multiple resistance point touch over here. This line, I've been looking at this resistance for quite a while, and we recently just had that break above. It'll look a little cleaner on the daily, on the 4-hour time frame as well. So let's go into the daily time frame to see what's going on. So you'll see the same thing again. We had these multiple resistance touches over here, and then we just had this recent breakout come in. Now, for everybody that's been kind of panicking at the Bitcoin dump that came in, a lot of you guys that have been watching, I think, my channel for some time, a lot of you guys knew exactly what I was going to say, because during this period where Bitcoin's trading sort of sideways and we were allowing the EMA ribbon to catch up, you guys saw me say it over and over and over again. The moment it seemed like the EMA ribbon actually caught up, that's when we had the next leg to the upside, right? And if you guys were in the right positions, it could have been a very, very profitable trade, which I'll talk about in just a little bit. But usually when the price is this high separated from the EMA ribbon, we usually can expect either sideways action or a little bit of a cool down or come back down. The EMA ribbon acting as a magnet where it'll come back down and retest the support of the EMA ribbon. Although it might not look perfect on this chart, take a look at this. This is the 4-hour time frame, right? So for everybody saying, it didn't look perfect there, take a look at the exact level that this went down to on the 4-hour time frame. It pretty much perfectly touched the bottom of our EMA ribbon before bouncing right back up acting as support, the EMA ribbon, and right back into this resistance that I have drawn at this level over here. So zooming in, let's take a look at what this resistance is looking like. And we had one potential fake breakout come in over here. It was not obviously a confirmed breakout. A little bit more volume needed to break out and have that confirmed breakout, but a clear resistance in my opinion at this level where we bounced off the support and then came right back up to the exact same resistance and have been trading a little bit sideways since then. The 1-hour time frame will show we've still been at it. We had this one fake breakout over at this level over here, but since then right back down and right trading in that range. Now, that's going to be the resistance. We have the EMA ribbon acting as support, so that could be a catalyst for a move very, very soon, hopefully, obviously, if this trend were to continue to the upside. But keep in mind, no matter what happens, if we zoom back out to the daily time frame, Bitcoin it's been a very, very, very bullish last few weeks for Bitcoin ever since back here where we had this bigger dump, right? And that was kind of the last time we were in this downward price action. We had obviously lower lows. We kept forming those lower highs, lower lows. We kept on forming those. And we had this one big drop after making a higher, trying to make a higher high here. We had this one big drop which formed as a lower low. And since then, Bitcoin's been making higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And we're sort of on that same trend. So no surprise whatsoever if we were to make a higher low again and keep on moving our way to the upside. There's a lot of good stuff coming out for Bitcoin right now and a lot of opportunities for everybody that wants to participate in those. So the exchange I'm using, obviously I moved over from BitMEX onto Bybit. Bybit to me, by far the better platform and the more user-friendly platform. At the moment, they do obviously have bonuses all the time going on. So if you guys are interested, check out the link down below for Bybit. I think they have $90 for free right now, which means you can trade with that $90, enter a 10x trade, which is a $900 trade, and any profit that you make, that's free money that they're giving you to trade with. Any profit that you make, you can withdraw that profit. So there's not much risk involved with it. It's very easy to make an account. I highly recommend everybody, if you're on different exchanges and you want to find your actual exchange to leverage trade, I recommend Bybit. To me, it's proven to be the best one by far. But let me show you what some of the opportunities have been looking like for myself and my team. Recently, we have entered an Ethereum short. This Ethereum short came in on the 6th of November. Now, since I haven't uploaded the last few days, I want to give you guys sort of what's been going on over the last week. 6th of November, we entered a short. It gave us some time to get into our buy range, and then boom, we had a big drop. We hit all of our targets on that Ethereum trade. And then Bitcoin also, ever since the 3rd of November, we have had at this range over here. We got in early the 3rd of November. Telling you guys again, you look back at where Bitcoin was trading sideways, the EMA ribbon caught up, and as soon as it caught up, we saw that jump up in the price action. That's sort of what we were playing at this level. Managed to catch this long wave to the upside, right? We took profits, obviously, even at this level over here, but for people who held on longer, maybe had a trailing stop loss, there was a lot of opportunity to be made. Then we got a short over here, which obviously hit multiple targets on this way down, and then a long over here, which obviously also hit multiple targets on its way up. So a ton of opportunities for anybody trying to take place. If you guys want to see the trades that myself and my team are entering, I post them all, first link down below in the description in the cryptocurrency trade alert groups. Like I said, every single one of the trades that myself and my expert team are entering in real time in this group. So if you're a complete beginner, if you don't have time to do technical analysis, or if you don't know how to do technical analysis, you can get every single one of our altcoin trades, every single one of our leverage trades. You'll get access to everything, and for 14 days after you sign up, it is completely for free. So for 2 weeks, we're not gonna hide anything from you. You're gonna see every single one of our trades during those free 2 weeks for you. And if you don't like it, doesn't work for you, whatever it is, no questions asked, you can simply cancel and you'll avoid getting charged. So a bunch of you guys watching this video were in these trades that I was just showing you. You were in these trades with us. And if you weren't in these trades and you haven't joined yet, I look forward to seeing you guys in there. But Bitcoin, although it's been looking extremely bullish, I've seen a little bit more uncertainty with altcoins. Obviously, altcoins tend to follow Bitcoin. Last time we had that big bull run in 2017, we saw Bitcoin move first. And after Bitcoin hit its all-time high, it started to come back down. Then altcoins, the next week or 2 or 3, that's when altcoins started to hit their all-time highs. So keep that in mind as well. They trail a little bit to Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin's doing its thing, it's having its big run, don't be surprised if altcoins are a little bit slower. And then once Bitcoin starts to cool off, then we see altcoins come to have their spike. It's just about where the money is at, where the flow of money, if the flow is going into Bitcoin, Bitcoin hits an all-time high and it starts to come down, it flows out of Bitcoin into the altcoins, then the altcoins have their surge. That's just kind of how it works, to give you guys an idea. Obviously, I think if you guys have been in the space, a lot of you guys know that. For those of you who are newer though, that's sort of how Bitcoin and the altcoin pairs tend to move. Now, this is really cool coming in from JP Morgan. Remember the Super Bull, or the Super Bear, sorry, JP Morgan, not Super Bull. Super Bear a couple of years ago, even a couple of months ago, not big fans of Bitcoin. Bitcoin's not gonna work, it's useless, it's gonna go to zero, trash. Now, from JP Morgan, institutional investors are choosing Bitcoin over gold. They've reported that since January 2019, the inflow to Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust has been greater than the combined inflows to gold ETFs, exchange traded funds. So just one thing to know, obviously a lot of institutional investors moving into Bitcoin, either as a store, as a hedge, whatever it is. We see a lot of money moving into Bitcoin, a lot of institutional money moving into Bitcoin. Institutional money obviously locks up Bitcoin, a lot less Bitcoin in circulation, supply drops, demand continues to increase with all the FOMO going on, all the hype about Bitcoin getting close to its all-time high. That means price goes up and it continues to go up, and we probably see the all-time high and we probably see newer all-time highs very, very soon. So let me know your guys' thoughts down below in the comments. What do you think of everything going on? What do you think of the Bitcoin price? Do you expect us to hit the all-time high sooner rather than later? I think a $20,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2020, although it didn't look super likely at 12,000, and people were saying, you know, first quarter next year, second quarter next year, let's give it a little bit of time. It's becoming increasingly more likely to happen by the end of this year, which is crazy, and I think nobody expected it a couple of months ago. So if you guys, again, let me know your guys' thoughts down below in the comments. I look forward to seeing what everybody thinks and what everybody thinks is going on. Make sure you guys text me as well on the number that I post. It's going to be down below in the description as well. And I'll see you guys on Wednesday for another video.